Alright, so by now you guys know that I'm staying with Steele in Atlanta. Tomorrow we're taking another trip up to Boston to pick up a car, and then we're road tripping back to Atlanta, so we're going to be doing a whole bunch of filming. We're going to vlog quite a bit on that trip, but I just wanted to give you guys an idea of, I guess, the amount of work sometimes that can go on to actually staying on top of all of your filming, vlogging, social media, editing, fixing quads, you know, charging, all that kind of stuff when you're flying on a regular basis, like every day. Right now, Steele is recording his podcast. It's like midnight, which is why I'm out in the hallway and I don't want to mess up his audio. But I'm just going to go in there and give you a quick tour of what's going on in the apartment. I'm in the process of fixing one of his quads. I think all 5 of my quads are okay, but I'm going to give him a quick check afterwards. Charging a heap of packs, backing up footage, charging all my other stuff, GoPros, everything like that. So this is what I look like after 1 hour of sleep. It's this guy's fault.
Nay. Nay.
Are you excited?
I am. I can't get a sock on, but I'm excited.
Showing everybody how dirty our plane is, are you?
We're about to get into a blue rocket ship of doom. Man, I'm really excited.
You're the first one to sit in the back seat.
Yes.
Yep.
Trappy.
Follow the signs from the mass pipe.
Alcantara.
3-inch straight pipe with a 5-inch silencer on it.
Yeah.
Going through the tunnels, it was deafening.
Tell me why, tell me who, tell me you don't know what to do. Get it all over you. Who will know how to fight? Only you. Tell me why, tell me who, tell me you don't know what to do. Get it all over you. Who will know how to fight? Only you. You're with me another time. I don't care if it's wrong or right. Your vision and I reach out. Time will tell what we're all about. Tell me why, tell me who, tell me you don't know what to do. Get it all over you. Who will know how to fight? Only you. Tell me why, tell me who, tell me you don't know what to do. Get it all over you. Who will know how to fight? Only you.
Probably cost like.
Got him on?
Guys got him on now.
Oh, when he's done, can you sound small?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead, Snake.
What? Mom, get a Sharpie.
Well, I can safely say that was one of the craziest things that's ever happened to me.
What do you mean?
FPV.
Oh, getting sign-in shit?
Yeah.
Hey, how's it going?
So we just stopped off at this park here. You'll see all this stuff in Steele's video, but we stopped off here for the last, what, 2 batteries worth of sun. And then
I noobed out.
Then Steele flew pack and ended up getting stuck in almost the top of this pine tree here. And then I climbed up and got it down. Because the start of it required a V6 squeeze stretch problem, which was probably beyond his height capability.
Yeah.
And then we got swamped by a horde of like 20 kids and their parents who all wanted autographs and knew who Steele was, and I became YouTube famous by association, so.
This is true. This happened. Mate. Alright, we're somewhere in the Blue Ridge Parkway.
Or near the Blue Ridge Parkway.
Or near it.
Throttle warning.
And we are in somewhere in, I don't know, North Carolina, Virginia. Right, alright, let me put my seat squirt on. Okay, where is your quad? Hold on. You good? You good? I'm gonna kind of talk you through the turns. I think I'm in 5th. Okay, we're in 3rd. It's just pretty straight for here for now. Dang, that mic though. You good? Is this a good pace?
Yeah.
Alright, it's got a left turn coming up, and there's a car behind us.
Behind us?
Yeah, you're good. Once I get to the bottom of the hill, I'll pull over and we can, You good? You good? There's power lines. Watch out for the power lines.
I'm way above it.
Okay. Turning right. There's a car behind us. There's all kinds of power lines, so I'd either stay high or stay on the road. You good?
Yeah. How close behind us is the car?
Pretty far, but there's a lot of fucking power lines. Like a lot. And there's a car actually coming head on. Car behind us, I'm gonna pull over right up here at this minivan.
On the left or right?
On the left. There's a bunch of power lines though, so beware. And there's that car, okay. I'm pulling over. Alright. This car behind us is passing. I'm gonna pull back out onto the road now.
Go back the other way, maybe?
You want me to go back the other way?
30 seconds.
Alright, let me back up. You good?
Yep.
Let me ram this Pepsi sign real quick. Holy shit. So glad we have stock suspension. You good?
Yep.
Alright.
Clear on the road?
Yep, road's clear. Remember, mad power lines. There's no one coming behind us. Dang. Sorry, I'm trying to speed up a little.
No, that's fine. It's good speed.
30 seconds.
Alright. Dang, you're getting close as fuck. That is sick. You getting prop washed?
No, it's fine at the moment.
Alright. Okay, gotta turn left, so watch out. Gotta turn left. It's a pretty hard left. Car. Opposite side of the road.
Yep.
10.
Going up, turning right.
8.
It's pretty clear right here on this little straightaway if you want to get behind me.
3.
There's a car behind us. I'm gonna pull off on the same spot. We got a turn coming up.
1.
So I'm gonna pull off on the spot that we pulled. Turning left now, turning left.
Yep.
And coming into the spot that we pulled off before.
Let me know when you...
There's a car coming up the road behind us, and there's a car on the road right now coming down.
So you're
the hill.
stationary?
I am stationary.
Okay, I'm gonna come and land.
Alright, watch out for all the cars.
Yeah, I'm in front of us.
Yes, mate.
I think we got a couple of good shots in there.
Yeah, no, I agree. There was some good shit.
Sweet. That needed to happen, so
It
that's
did.
good.
Maybe we can do it on the parkway here.
Yeah, well, I thought that seemed fairly like optimal conditions to do it, and we might not get that on the parkway. There might be cunts everywhere, so just get that shit done, mate. Get it done. Oh no! Now we're stuck behind.
Okay, we're on the Blue Ridge Parkway, somewhere in North Carolina or Virginia, and there is a semi coming in hot. Is that a SUV? Is that an SUV or a Ute?
It's a ute.
It's a Ute.
It's a ute with a shitty caravan on the back.
Do some follow footage. I'm gonna fly, and Snake or Snack here is gonna Snack's gonna fucking
Mate.
He's gonna drive mine. All right, just let me know if you see any cars coming up behind us or in front of us.
Yep. We will be going over a bridge that went over the road we were on earlier.
Yeah.
Shortly.
Any cars on the opposite side of the road?
No, you're clear. Clear for a while.
Any cars behind us?
Nope, no one behind or in front of us. Okay, we're going to come into, it's marked as a 35k turn. So we're going down to 3rd. Oh, it's a nicely lit up corner.
Any cars on the opposite side of the street?
Nobody anywhere. You're good. It's a real nice bit of road. No around.
Fuck yeah.
Yep, you're clear.
Damn.
What's that?
That was fucking sick.
Did you get some good footage?
Oh yeah. The sun is just like glistening. All right, we just drove 1,100 miles, and I am now home, and I can't turn, and I feel like I need to go to the basement. Oh yeah. Anyways, how many miles did we drive? We drove 1,182 miles
In 2 and a bit days.
in two and a couple days.
2.5 days, I think.
And it was pretty brutal. I'm not gonna
It was.
lie. Like, I didn't think it was gonna be that
I think at the start we messed around a bit too much because we thought it wasn't gonna be too bad, and then
No, it was fun.
and then we looked at the map and we were like, oh, we're still fucking 11 hours away.
Yeah. It was like a total of 17 hours. What up, mate? Nice. Look, after 1,000 miles of driving and touching this box, it wore off the paint. There's a little bit right here. Crazy corn.
Well,